So, welcome to the reported speech class. Basically, when you converse in a business conversation or in a day to day conversation, if you want to report what other people have told you or what other people have conversed among themselves to someone else, you require to have the reporting skills. So, what are the features of reported speech that make it different from the direct speech? Let me tell first of all, the direct speech includes the exact words of the speaker with or without mistakes, but when writing, they should be enclosed within double inverted commas and separated from the rest of the sentence. Whereas, when you convert that to indirect speech, certain tense changes and words changes happen, especially if someone else is reporting other than the ones who have spoken it or listened to it, then the personal pronouns should not be used. So let us start with the first line. What do you see here? A reported speech. Where is it? What is it? How do you use it? Tom says, I am feeling ill. How do you use it? Where is Tom? Okay. He said he was feeling ill. So basically, what is reported speech is given there below in these lines. If you can just see the moving pointer here, it is the grammar we use if we want to tell another person about a conversation that took place in the past. Example, a telephone call, news or story that someone told us, etc. So basically, reported speech is a part of grammar. They have said it's a grammar or it's a part of grammar that we use if we want to tell another person about a conversation that took place in the past. Moving on to the next slide, we have an example of Mrs. Brown. Mrs. Brown is saying, my favorite film is on TV tonight. I love comedies. Mrs. Brown said that her, see the word marked in red, her, my has been changed to her. That is, first person pronoun has changed to third person singular. Her favorite film was. So is has changed to was. Present tense has changed to past tense. On TV, tonight has changed to that night. So in first sentence itself, there are three changes. I has changed to her, and is has changed to was, and on TV that night, tonight has changed to that night. She said that she loved comedies. What has changed? Pronoun. My and I have become her and she. Tense. Am has become was. Love has become loved. Time words. Tonight has become that night. Moving on to the next slide. In the reported speech, we preferably use the past tense. Again, am or is changes to was. Are becomes were. Has or have becomes had. See becomes saw. Can't becomes couldn't. Will becomes would. And won't becomes wouldn't. Changes in verb tenses, they are also there for you to see here. I'll just read them. Do becomes did. For example, if someone says, I do this work now. So if another person is reporting it, X says, I do this work now. If Y is reporting it, then he would say that X told that or announced that X did the work then. Am or is doing changes to was doing. Are doing changes to were doing. Has or have done, that is present perfect tense. Has or have used as helping verb followed by past participle, that is done. Past participle of do is done. Becomes had done. Has done and have done both change to had done. If we want to report a sentence that is already in the past tense, we normally use the past perfect. I saw the film last week. He said he had seen the film the week before. Now there is a choice here. You can either say the week before or you can say the previous week. Or if you are talking in the same week as the person has told you, both the person and the reporter are speaking in the same week, then the word or the term last week can be retained as it is, because both for the speaker of the direct speech and the reporter, the last week remains the same last week. Further changes of time words and place words. Now changes to then, today changes to that day, this week changes to that week. For example, I'll say the meeting is this week. Sir told us that the meeting was that week. Tomorrow, if I say tomorrow we meet for a class, Sir informed us that the next day we would meet for a class. like that. Yesterday becomes the day before, or as I said previously, it can become previous day. If I say, I have covered this syllabus yesterday. So what did sir tell the students? Sir told the students that sir had covered the syllabus the previous day or the day before. Last week, similar thing as the week before or the previous week. And place words here, there, this becomes that, these becomes those. For example, if I say, please keep these chalk pieces on my table. Sir requested the students to keep those chalk pieces on his table. So this is exercise. A comedy show called Don't Look Now has just closed after 5 years at a theatre in London's West End. This is what the critics said when it opened 5 years ago. It is a marvelous show. The Daily Mail. The Daily Mail said. Now said can be also replaced by reported. Now all these words, said, reported, exclaimed, and all are called reporting verbs. The Daily Mail reported that it was a marvelous show, or you will love it. The Guardian. The Guardian said, or the Guardian opined, or the Guardian reported that people would love it. The production is brilliant. The Times. The Times said the production was brilliant. Kindly note, is has changed to was. It's the funniest show I've ever seen. Joan Proctor. Joan Proctor said. It can also be said as Joan Proctor opined that, or Joan Proctor expressed her view that, something like that. So Joan Proctor said it was. It was. See, it is. It changes to it was the funniest show she. See there in the direct speech, the funniest show. I've means I have. Have changes to she had. I have changes to she had. Show she had ever seen. So once again I read the sentence. It's the funniest show I've ever seen. Joan Proctor, direct speech. The indirect speech or the reported speech of that is Joan Proctor said it was the funniest show she had ever seen. One point to be noted over here is why can't we use the word told instead of said? Any guesses? Probably some of you might have guessed. It is because there is no listener mentioned here. Obviously, there was a listener. She did not speak it to herself. But the listener is not mentioned, neither obvious, in the given sentence. Therefore, the word said itself is retained. Joan Proctor said it was the funniest show she had ever seen. It made me laugh. Ben Walsh. Ben Walsh said it had made him laugh. Look at the words in red color. Made me becomes had made him. You shouldn't miss it. Time out. Time out said people shouldn't miss it, because rule might say that shouldn't have missed it, should have been written, but it is not required, because if timeout was of the opinion at some other point of time in the past that no one should have missed the show, then the same opinion will continue. It is not like last time when I saw, I felt no one should miss it, but today I will not feel so. It's not like that. Since the opinion has remained the same, shouldn't miss it has been retained as it is. Please note the difference. So with that, I would like to conclude today's class. Hope all of you have enjoyed class. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.